is whoosh. Dive into the vibrant city of João, Pessoa, the easternmost city in the Americas where the sun rises first. Fact 1, the city is steeped in culture with its historic architecture, including the stunning Baroque Church of San Francisco. Fact 2, João Pessoa proudly hosts the world's longest waterfront garden, a stunning 20-kilometer stretch. Fact 3, the city's music scene is alive with the rhythm of forró, a pulsating local dance music. Now let's get weird. Fact 4, this city is home to the exotic Cariri Fair, where you can buy anything from medicinal herbs to live animals. Fact 5, it's also home to a rare phenomenon, a green sunset over the sea. Fact 6, João Pessoa's Tambia market sells 50 different types of bananas. Finally, this cultural and weirdly wonderful city is home to over 800,000 residents. Exciting, right? For more intriguing facts and travel destinations, follow me on Instagram at Mr.Gurgel. Until next time, keep exploring.